Hello everyone, today we have a $250 PC build which is capable of light 720p gaming and it's perfect computer for everyday use. We went with an AMD A4 5300 APU. It gives a good CPU performance and decent graphics performance at 720p, mind you. For motherboard, we chose a Gigabyte GA F2A 55M-S1. It's an excellent board for this build because it has an FM2 plus socket, so you can upgrade to a newest generation APUs. But this motherboard doesn't have a USB 3, so if it's necessary, then you should invest in a different board. For memory, we used Spectek 4GB 1600 MHz stack. For storage, we used 500 gigabyte Seagate Baracuda drive. Uh, for power supply, we used the Whitenergy ATX 2.2 500-watt power supply. But I recommend investing in a more expensive power supply because it will be more reliable and safer for your components. Yeah, it will make your components last longer. Um, for the case, we use Colorovo AX2000 case. Again, I recommend better case, like a Fractal Design Core 1000. So at the end, I didn't even know if it works because the monitor wasn't there yet, but I'm definitely it worked because it was a simple build, very simple. And for the rest of the video, there will be some music, and you can continue to watch the time lapse. Okay, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, press the like button. That helps, and subscribe.